Hey YouTube, I'm not sure why, but I felt the urge to get up and get out in the woods. And I think I may have discovered why I needed to get up and get out in the woods. Look what I have just found. And I've got to share it with you. Look at these beautiful oysters I've just found. Wow. You guys are so amazing. Well, and I'm not for sure that's turkey or false turkey. But these oysters. Sometimes it's just worth getting up and going outside. If you'll listen to what nature's saying, she'll call you to all kind of amazing things. Y'all have a good day.